Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to whiten your teeth. For this we're going to be needing ginger, some baking soda, your toothpaste and salt. So you want to start off by peeling your ginger because we'll be using the grated ginger. We're going to grate it before we use it. So once we're done peeling, we wash it and then we grate it. So for the ginger, we're going to need a quarter spoon of ginger, half spoon of baking soda, and a quarter spoon of salt, just very little quantity of salt. And the last one we're going to need is our toothpaste, a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. And we're going to be mixing everything properly together to form a paste. So once we have this thick consistency, we're done. There's no need to add water or anything of that sort. This is just perfect and okay to use. You can use this mixture for 2 days or 3 days. So and you want to use a new toothbrush, you want to buy your hard toothbrush, not soft one. And then we're going to get our mixture and put it on our toothbrush and start to wash and wash and wash and wash. So once you are washing, you just begin to notice the changes in the color of your teeth almost immediately. Just stick around to the end so that you see what I'm talking about. You want to wash for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes depending on how comfortable you are in, but I washed for a long time. I washed for 15 minutes. For every time you pour out what you wash, you just want to take a fresh one and use again to wash your teeth. And you're going to see the difference immediately, almost immediately, once you start washing your teeth with that mixture. It really works. This is really effective. If you want to see real results, I think you should try this mixture on your teeth. So this is the before and then the after.